Brent Geppert here with Educational Insights, and today we're going to make a homemade hummingbird feeder. For this activity, you will need a bottle. You will also need a little container. You will need a knife, be careful, and you will need a nail. You will also need 3 pipe cleaners, a glue gun, some EVA foam, or some plastic flowers. You will also need 2 cups of water and a 1/4 cup of sugar. First step, put a bunch of holes in the top of the lid like this. Next, we're going to make a hole in the lid, put the bottle through the lid, and we're going to seal up this edge with the glue. That should do it. Now we're going to make the hanging harness. Take 2 pipe cleaners, like this. Take the 3rd pipe cleaner, and make a little loop for the top. Twist these tight. Twist these tight. There, that should do it. Poke a bunch of holes. Make sure the holes are nice and clean so the little beaks can get inside and get the nectar. Next, let's make a little flower to decorate the feeder. Glue some more flowers around the edge. Dissolve the sugar into the water. Stir until it's all dissolved and the water is clear. Pour the mixture into the bottle. Screw the lid back on. Snap the bottom container onto the lid and then flip it upside down. You might want to do this outside. It might get messy. Flip it upside down and the bottom will fill up with nectar. Hang it up and wait for some hummingbirds. Thanks for watching. Oh my gosh, it's a hummingbird.